Alright, the Earth Day weekend continues. Happy Earth Day to everybody, Earthwide. April 22nd, 2023, Tyler Hayes here, 1956, coming to you from West Ladysmith, lonely Canadian Nationals, Barron, Maine, near milepost 129, with a video lined up for you. We're going to have the S773 make its departure after releasing authority on the Barron, Maine from mile 110 to mile 126. So earlier, since 1535, we had the ET44 ACs of the 3166 wearing the Nathan P5s, and the MEI rebuild of the 3122. That was previously GECX 2033. And that is actually the assigned leader for this northbound move for the S77381. The only exception is who will be our rear DPU on the S773, as it will head on its way up to Swan Landing, Alberta, Canada. And as we will lean back and get him, here we go. CN 3122, the S773. That was close. Yep, it's the MEI rebuild to lead it. With the 3166 second. Traction motor's humming again after backing down for a moment. But they'll have the brakes reapplied again when they get ready to enter the western side of Ladysmith before taking the North Y north on up to Pekegama. It's right now the 2000 hour. And I have a feeling that this one is gonna once again go to Swan Landing, Alberta, Canada, as I figured. Sure is wasting no time after they completed the recrew since 1950. Brakes applied now. CN 3122 North entering Superior Sub Main, West Ladysmith. No restrictions. And I hear the rear DPU now on the S77381 as it will get ready to open up the throttle shortly. With the last of the S773 as well, and that is none other than an ES44 as rear DPU. DSIX4560 is the last of the S773, and it is the 2233, the DPU equipped ES44DC this time. How about that? Didn't expect the DPU equipped ES44DC to do the honors. Just listen to her open up the throttle. A great sound of that ES44. The DPU equipped ES44DC that showed up on the CN system in the early 2000s. So that will do it for the S77381 as it will head northbound to Bikigma, then on to Swan Landing, Alberta, Canada. And that is going to do it for this video at West Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. And I'll see you down the main line. Tyler Hayes out.